Hi friends, I welcome you all for the channel of your UPSC friend. Let's start current affairs MCQ discussion for the prelims 2020. First question. Weibo diplomacy was recently in the news. It is in the context of A. India Bhutan, B. India China, C. India Nepal, D. India Afghanistan. Following the decision of banning 59 Chinese apps by the Union government, Honorable Prime Minister Narendra Modi has also started the process of exiting the Weibo. What is this Weibo? Weibo is an social account like the Twitter. Okay, he also started that process of exiting. This is termed as Weibo diplomacy. So, from this we can easily tell that here the correct answer is B, that is India China. Next question. Special liquidity scheme, that is SLS, got approval by center for the purpose of, okay, first option to improve the liquidity of NBFC and HFC, second option for the investment in public infrastructure, third option to ease the liquidity flow for MSME, option 4 none. First let's see what is this special liquidity scheme, that is SLS. Recently cabinet approved for the formation of special liquidity scheme for the purpose of assisting, that is easing the NBFCs and HFCs liquidity, the flow of liquidity for NBFC and HFC. This will be monitored by the special purpose vehicle formed by SBI Cap unit. There is a criteria to avail the liquidity under this scheme, that is the CAR of NBFCs and HFCs must not be below 50% and 12% respectively. So now let's get back to the question. Here the correct answer is A, that is 1 only. The special liquidity scheme was launched to improve the liquidity flow for NBFC and HFC. Now let's see regarding the NBFCs, that is non-banking financial company. These are the companies registered under Companies Act of 1956. They involve in the businesses of loans and advances, acquisition of shares, stocks, bonds, debentures, securities issued by government or any local authority, or even other marketable securities. Here important thing to note is the NBFC the institutions which involve the primary businesses like agriculture activity, industrial activity, purchase or sale of goods for providing any services, and sale or purchase or construction of immovable properties does not form the part of NBFCs. And the important thing for the examinations here is difference between NBFCs and other banks. NBFCs cannot accept demand deposit. NBFCs do not part the form of payment and settlement system and cannot issue the check drawn on itself. Deposit insurance facility of Deposit Insurance and Credit Guarantee Corporation does not form the part of NBFC. The norms of public sector lendings does not apply to the NBFC, and also the NBFCs need not to maintain the cash reserve requirements. Third question. Consider the following statement. First statement. The Representation of People Act of 1951 provides for any person to be given the facility of postal ballot by ECI in consultation with government. Second statement. The ECI extended postal ballot service in pilot basis for 3 categories of electors: absentee voters of essential services, senior citizens of more than 80 years, and marked PWD electors. Here also we need to choose for the correct statement. actually, why was this postal ballot again came into news? The Election Commission of India recently said that the political parties has been consulted on its decision to extend the postal ballot for more category of voters, that is for voters over the age of 65. Hence, the postal ballots were again in news. Now let's see our question now. The Representation of People's Act of 1951 provides for any person to be given the facility of postal ballot by ECI in consultation with the government. This first statement is correct. The ECI extended the postal ballot service on pilot basis for three categories of voters, that is absentee voters of essential services, senior citizens of more than 80 years and marked PWD electors. This statement is also correct. The second statement I will discuss in the next slide. This second statement is also correct. Hence the correct answer is C, both. In October 2019, the Law Minister amended the Conduct of Election Rules 1961 to extend the facility of postal ballots to the people who are unable to cast their vote because of the service conditions. The amendment comes after the EC wrote to the Law Minister for proposing the voters on duty in fields such as aviation, shipping, railway, emergency services, those employed in long distance road transport, elderly and physically challenged. Here important thing is physically challenged were also included in this amendment, and also journalists covering elections should be allowed for voting through postal ballots, implemented in the pilot basis in Jharkhand assembly elections. Here one more important key factor is in this amendment of Conduct of Election Rules of 1961, the concept that is absentee voters has introduced and defined for the purpose of election. Next question. Consider the following statements. First statement, National Council for Regeneration, Protection and Management of River Ganga is established under EPA, that is Environment Protection Act of 1986. Empowered Task Force is headed by Prime Minister of India. Here also we need to choose the incorrect statement. Namami Ganga project was recently in news because the World Bank has approved a 5-year loan for Namami Ganga project worth 3000 crore to develop and improve the infrastructure projects to abate pollution in river basin. Now let's see regarding the National Mission for Clean Ganga. It is the implementation wing of National Council for Regeneration, Protection and Management of River Ganga, also known as National Ganga Council. It was established in 2016. The National Mission for Clean Ganga was established in the year of 2011 as a registered society. The National Ganga Council is headed by Prime Minister. The Empowered Task Force is headed by Union Minister of Jal Shakti. From this we can tell that the first statement is correct and the Empowered Task Force is headed by Union Minister of Jal Shakti, not the Prime Minister of India. Hence this makes the second statement incorrect. Here it is asking for the incorrect statement. So the answer is B, that is 2 only. These are the questions for today. If you like my video, please like, share and subscribe to my channel. Thank you.